Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. For upcoming OAVS exam 30 current affair asked, this is the second part of February month of current affairs. Each part contain 50 plus questions. Our target 30 out of 30 mark. So don't time waste. Let's start the first question. According to the report, A Future for the World Children commissioned by WHO, UNICEF, Lancet Sustainability Index is topped by Burundi. What is rank of India in the index? Your right answer is 77. Option 2 is your correct answer. Which is the first South Asian country to host 2022 Asian Football Confederation AFC Women's Asian Cup? Your right answer is option 2, India. The Reserve Bank of India has appointed Sunil Gurbakhsh as MD and CEO of which Indian private sector bank? Your right answer is Dhanlaxmi Bank. Option 1 is your correct answer. Who has won the 21st edition of Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award for 2019 held at New Delhi? Your right answer is Kiran Majumdar Shah. Option 2 is your correct answer. Name the Indian institute which ranked top among Indian institutions in the Nature Ranking Index 2020 based on total research output from December 1, 2018 to 13th November 2019. Your right answer is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR. Option 5 is your correct answer. The American computer scientist Larry Tesler, who passed away in February 2020, in the inventor of which function command for computer? Your right answer is code copy paste. Option 2 is your correct answer. Union Minister of State MOS for Shopping Mansukh Mandaviya has inaugurated India's first floating jetty at which Indian state? Your right answer is Goa. Option 3 is your correct answer. The National Organic Food Festival for Women Entrepreneur held at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, New Delhi, February 2020. What is the theme of the festival? Your right answer is Unleashing India's Organic Market Potential. Option 5 is your correct answer. What is the gross domestic product GDP of India for the year 2019 to 20 as per the National Council of Applied Economic Research, NCAER? Your right answer is 4.9%. Option 4 is your correct answer. Name the Bollywood actor who has won Best Actor Award in Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival Award 2020 was held in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Your right answer is Hrithik Roshan. Option 2 is your correct answer. Name the Indian scientist who has been honored with Science and Engineering Research Board SERB Women's Excellence Award 2020. Your right answer is Dr. Niti Kumar. Option 5 is your correct answer. The International Judicial Conference 2020 with the theme Gender Just World held at which Indian state or union territory? Your right answer is New Delhi. Option 1 is your correct answer. Name the first Indian state or union territory which achieved 100% LPG coverage due to implementations of PMUY Pradhan Mantri Ujjwal Yojana scheme. Your right answer is Himachal Pradesh. Option 5 is your correct answer. To which Indian state or union territory NABARD has granted 400.64 crore under Rural Infrastructure Development Fund RIDF to boost the infrastructure February 2020? Your right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Option 1 is your correct answer. Name the public sector bank of India which joined hands with Microsoft to train differently abled people for the employment in banking, financial services and insurance BFSI sector. Your right answer is State Bank of India. Option 3 is your correct answer. The National Institute of Disaster Management NIDM organized the first national conference on coastal disaster risk reduction and resilience CDRR&R at which Indian state or union territory? Your right answer is New Delhi. Option 4 is your correct answer. As per the Reserve Bank of India RBI report titled Assessment of the Progress of Digitization from Cash to Electronic, the value of digital payment to GDP increased from 660% in 2014 to 15 to dash in 2018 to 19. Your right answer is 862%. Option 3 is your correct answer. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India IRDAI formed a 9 members committee to examine the possibility of allowing life insurer offer indemnity based health policy. Who is the head of the committee? Your right answer is G. Srinivasan. Option 1 is your correct answer. The 5th edition of Indradhanush V220 held Hindan, Uttar Pradesh. The Indradhanush is the air exercise held between India and which of the following country in 2020? Your right answer is United Kingdom. Option 4 is your correct answer. Name the public sector bank which displayed Shisui Mudra app providing instant sanction of working capital up to 50,000 to existing small business customers on an event in New Delhi. Your right answer is State Bank of India. Option 1 is your correct answer. As per PSB is Reform Annual Report 2019-20, the gross non-performing assets reduced from 8.96 lakh crore in March 2020 to dash lakh crore in December 2019. Your right answer is 7.17 lakh crore. Option 4 is your correct answer. The Union Cabinet has approved the Surrogacy Regulation Bill 2020. The draft of the bill has included the recommendations of 23-member committee of the Rajya Sabha. Who is the head of the committee? Your right answer is Bhupender Yadav. Option 3 is your correct answer. Tennis player Maria Sharapova, who announced retirement recently, February 2020, belongs to which of the following nation? Your right answer is Russia. Option 1 is your correct answer. Name the private sector bank which partnered with Indigo to launch co-branded credit card catching powder powered by MasterCard. Your right answer is HDFC Bank. Option 4 is your correct answer. Karnataka Sadakshri Setter, who is on news recently February 2020, belongs to which field? Your right answer is history. Option 4 is your correct answer. The National Science Day NST in India celebrated annually on February 28. What is the theme of NST 2020? Your right answer is its theme is Women in Science. Most important, Women in Science. Option 2 is your correct answer. As per the Government of India data, the issuance of RuPay debit card under Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana PMJDY has reached the all-time high of dash as on 19 February 2020. Your right answer is 29.14 crore. Option 3 is your correct answer, 29.14 crore. As per Controller General of Accounts CGA, Controller General of Accounts, the fiscal deficit of the country reached dash of the estimate for the whole year at the end of January 2020. Your right answer is 128.5%. Option 4 is your correct answer, 128.5%. As per the report by online payment processor Worldline India titled Worldline India Digital Payment 2019, name the Indian city which accounted for highest number of digital transactions in India in 2019. Your right answer is Bangalore. Option 3 is your correct answer, Bangalore. Where is India's first ever glass floor bridge replacing iconic suspension bridge Lakshman Jhula? Your right answer is Uttarakhand. Option 4 is your correct answer, Uttarakhand. The American economist Penelope Coutinho Goldberg recently resigned her post chief economist. She held the post in. Your right answer is World Bank. Option 1 is your correct answer, World Bank. Raju Bharathan, who passed away recently, is a. Your right answer is both 2 and 3. Film historian, cricket journalist, both 2 and 3 are correct. Who is the youngest girl in the world to climb the South America highest peak Mount Aconcagua, Argentina, February 2020? Your right answer is Kamya Karthikeyan. Option 4 is your correct answer, Kamya Karthikeyan. Where was the 13th edition of ICC Under-19 World Cup 2020 between 17th January to 9 February 2020 held at dash? Your right answer is South Africa. Option 3 is your correct answer, South Africa. The Reserve Bank of India has aged the CRR requirement of commercial bank for 5 years for lending to automobiles, housing and MSME sector. What is C in CRR stand for? Your right answer is cash. Option 2 is your correct answer, cash. Who is the first Asian filmmaker to win Academy Award Oscar for original screenplay category? Your right answer is Bong Joon-ho. Option 2 is your correct answer, Bong Joon-ho. The second BIMSTEC disaster management exercise with the theme a cultural heritage site that suffered severe damage in the earthquake and flooding or storm held at which Indian state? In February 11 to 13, 2020. Your right answer is Odisha. Option 1 is your correct answer, Odisha. Which European city set to host United Nations Climate Summit 26th Conference of Parties COP26 in November 2020? Your right answer is Glasgow. Option 2 is your correct answer, Glasgow. Which movie has won the Best Film Award in 65th edition of Amazon Filmfare Award 2020? Was held at Indira Gandhi Athletic Stadium in Guwahati, Assam, February 15 to 16, 2020. Your right answer is Gully Boy. Option 4 is your correct answer, Gully Boy. According to Economist Intelligence Unit EIU, the Worldwide Education for the Future Index WFFI 2019 report, Finland topped the index and India rank in the index is dash. Your right answer is India rank is 35. Option 1 is your correct answer, 35. The Union Cabinet has approved the procurement of 24 Sikorsky MH-60R Sheshak multi-role helicopter worth $2.6 billion from which country? Your right answer is United States. Option 1 is your correct answer, United States. The third Global Ministerial Conference on Road Safety with the theme Achieving Global Goal 2030 held at, your right answer is Stockholm, Sweden. Option one is correct. Stockholm, Sweden. Name the Indian football club which becomes first ever Indian club to qualify for group stage of AFC Asian Football Club Champion League 2021 edition. Your right answer is FC Goa. Option 4 is your correct answer. FC Goa. What is the rank of India in 2020 Asian Wrestling Championship held at KD Yadav Indoor Stadium in Indira Gandhi Arena, New Delhi, February 18 to 23, 2020? Your right answer is 3. Option 3 is your correct answer. Faure Gnassingbé has been re-elected as the president of Togo for fourth time. What is the capital of Togo? Faure Gnassingbé has been re-elected as the president of Togo for the fourth time. What is the capital of Togo? Your right answer is Lome. Option 1 is your correct answer. Lome. According to ECAIR Air Visual Report titled 2019 World Air Quality Report Region and City PM 2.5 ranking, what is the India rank is most polluted country list? Your right answer is 5. Option 4 is your correct answer. 5. Find the railway station where the Indian Railway launched its first restaurant on wheels for railway passenger. Your right answer is Asansol Station, West Bengal. Option 2 is your correct answer. Asansol Station, West Bengal. Name the person who has won the Sahitya Academy Translation Prize for 2019 in the category of Translation into English for the translation of Kannada novel Kusumba Bill to English. Your right answer is Susan Daniel. Option 5. Susan Daniel is your correct answer. Name the Indian city which is going to host 2022 Commonwealth Archery and Shooting Championship. Your right answer is Chandigarh. Option 2 is your correct answer. Chandigarh. This is our last questions of today class. India-Russia defense deal set to cross dash in US dollar in February 2020. Your right answer is $16 billion. Option 5 is your correct answer. I hope you like this section. Lastly, I am saying you the people, if you daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.